What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the People's Build, where you decide every little detail about this build, from the powder coat to the frame color to the color of the gas tank. Every detail is up to you. My name is David, and welcome to Z's Garage. So in the last episode, I asked the question, what type of hoop are we gonna go with? Are we gonna go with a flat hoop, upswept, round, kind of an oval shape? And the people have spoken and said upswept. So that's what we're gonna do today. But we need to cut off all the tabs, get rid of everything that we don't need, and make it look like a cafe racer. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I have this mocked up with some tape, and I'm gonna cut on this side right here. I've been really debating if I should cut on this back end or in front of the shock, and I kind of just came to the conclusion just to cut in front of the shock. And then I'll grind down these welds right here, or just cut them, and I'll remove this tube, and then I'll put this in, which is our hoop. Have to cut it down a little bit because I want it right at the halfway point of the tire. I think that looks the best for a cafe racer. I'm gonna leave this structural support in. I don't think it's necessary to cut it out. Maybe just clean up the welds a little bit better than what it is. But yeah, the other question that I wanna ask is, are we going dual shock or are we going mono shock? Because that's kind of important for this part of the build, specifically the hoop. Because if we're going monoshock, I can get rid of these supports and put something kind of shorter right here. as a support. And then the monoshock would be a little more difficult with the oil canister, but I mean, that's not up to me. That is up to you. You guys are designing this bike. You guys make the decisions. I'm just following your lead, and I just will build it for you. So let me know, hit up your idea in the comments for a monoshock or dual shock, and let me know which one I should go with, and that's what we'll do. So let's keep going and get this on. Okay, so I think I messed up. Well, you know what? I did mess up. I cut my hoop a little bit too short. Now, I was using the center line of the tire, the center bolt of the tire, and using that as my cutoff point for the hoop. But I think I need to extend it out. When I cut it, I put it all together. It looked okay, but it just kind of looked too short, too small. And then when I push the hoop out a little bit, like an inch, it just feels a lot better. So I went ahead and ordered another hoop. We're gonna call this complete. Once I get the new hoop, I'll cut it all up, tack weld it. Not a big deal. Pretty easy fix. Wasting a little bit of money, but you know, I mean, it is what it is. Next up, we're gonna be converting this to monoshock, or are we going dual shock? If we go dual shock, I still have to fabricate the frame because we cut a lot of it off, and put dual shocks on. If we go monoshock, then I'm gonna really have to fabricate and come up with some ideas on how to monoshock it. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment and let me know. This is your build, this is your decisions. So thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. Peace out. A-Town down. Bam, 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 bam.